In this video, we'll break down the 5 best SZUK Car Vacuum Cleaners for 2025 that are dominating the market for their power, portability, and performance. Whether you're battling crumbs, peat hair, or dust in hard-to-reach corners, we've got the perfect picks to keep your rides spotless. So let's get started. Number 5. SZUK Strong Car Vacuum. The SZUK Strong Car Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful, handheld, and wireless device designed for efficient car cleaning. Equipped with a high-speed, 11.1-volt brushless motor, this mini vacuum offers excellent suction power with 3 adjustable suction levels for various cleaning needs. Whether you need to clean fine dust particles, large debris, or tough dirt, the vacuum's high, medium, and low settings ensure optimal performance. One standout feature is the multi-functionality of this device. In addition to vacuuming, the SZUK Strong Car Vacuum can blow, inflate, and exhaust, making it a versatile tool for both car and home use. It includes a range of accessories, such as a brush, flat tube, large nozzle, and 3 inflatable accessories to help tackle any cleaning task, whether it's your car's interior, home furniture, or even inflating tires. The vacuum uses a washable HEPA filter, which ensures long-lasting performance and effective filtration. With its 2,000 mAh battery, the vacuum provides strong, consistent suction. The Type-C charging interface ensures fast and safe charging, and the vacuum can operate for up to 30 minutes on low suction and 12 minutes on high suction after a full charge. Its compact and ergonomic design allows for easy use without tiring your hand, and it features a one-key dust pouring function for added convenience. Whether at home or in your car, the SZUK Strong Car Vacuum Cleaner is a reliable and versatile solution for your cleaning needs. Number 4. SZUK C12 Max. The SZUK C12 Max Car Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful and portable device designed to tackle a variety of cleaning tasks with ease. Featuring hurricane-level suction, this vacuum boasts a 300% boost in suction power thanks to its dual air duct design and improved flow guide structure. With an intake volume increase of 500%, the vacuum delivers exceptional performance across all surfaces. Equipped with 3 adjustable suction gears, the C12 Max is versatile and capable of handling different cleaning needs. The first gear is ideal for cleaning hair and small particles. The second gear is perfect for particle dust, and the third gear offers storm-like suction to clean large debris and garbage. This vacuum offers more than just cleaning. It also features blowing, charging, and pumping functions, making it a versatile tool for various applications at home, in the car, or outdoors. The brushless pure copper motor ensures strong power and durability, while the 6,000 mAh battery increases battery life by 200%, allowing for longer cleaning sessions. The vacuum's wireless design and Type-C fast charging capability make it convenient and easy to use anywhere. It also includes multiple accessories for different scenarios, such as cleaning carpets, gaps, and more. The washable and reusable HEPA filter ensures efficient dust filtration, contributing to a cleaner environment. With its compact design and efficient performance, the SZUK C12 Max Car Vacuum Cleaner is the perfect solution for all your cleaning needs. Number 3. SZUK 985,000 Pascal Vacuum Cleaners. The SZUK 985,000 Pascal Car Vacuum Cleaner is a compact and powerful tool designed to tackle a wide range of cleaning tasks. Weighing just 630 grams, this handheld vacuum is incredibly portable, making it easy to carry and maneuver. Its 985,000 Pascal suction power ensures it can handle everything from fine dust to stubborn debris, ideal for cleaning car interiors, home spaces, and even your computer keyboard. Equipped with a brushless motor, The vacuum operates at a high speed of 25,500 RPM, providing efficient and consistent cleaning performance. The motor's durability ensures long-lasting use without compromising suction power. You can choose from 3 suction settings. The first gear is perfect for cleaning dust and hair. The second gear tackles grains and snack residue, while the third gear offers powerful suction for larger debris. This vacuum cleaner is not just for cars. It also doubles as a blower, allowing you to easily clean your keyboard or blow out dust from hard-to-reach areas. With a large capacity 6,000 mAh lithium battery, the vacuum offers extended battery life, and the Type-C charging ensures quick recharging. With its versatile functionality, powerful suction, and portable design, the SZUK 985,000 Pascal car vacuum cleaner is the perfect tool for maintaining a clean and dust-free environment, both in your car and at home. Number 2. SZUK 9,998,700 Pascal Vacuum Cleaner. The SZUK 9,998,700 Pascal car vacuum cleaner is a powerful and versatile handheld cleaning tool, designed to make your cleaning tasks quick and efficient. Equipped with a high-speed brushless motor that operates at 80,000 RPM, it delivers a strong suction force of up to 15,000 pascals, effortlessly picking up dirt, dust, and debris from your car or home. This vacuum offers 3 different gear settings. The first gear cleans small particles and hair. The second gear handles dust and larger particles, while the third gear provides storm-like suction for tough debris. The fully enclosed turbine blades enhance the suction power by 500%, ensuring excellent cleaning efficiency. The SZUK 9,998,700 Pascal is not just a vacuum. It also features blowing, inflating, and exhausting functions, making it a versatile tool for various tasks. The washable HEPA filter ensures clean air quality and extends the life of the filter. Weighing only 470 grams, it is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for both car and home use. With a 6,000 mAh battery, the vacuum provides up to 30 minutes of low-end vacuuming, 18 minutes of mid-range, and 12 minutes of high-end vacuuming on a single charge. The Type-C charging interface ensures faster charging, and the included accessories enhance its functionality. Number 1. SZUK 98,000 Pascal Vacuum Cleaner. The SZUK 98,000 Pascal car vacuum cleaner is a compact yet powerful handheld device designed for ultimate convenience and strong performance. Equipped with a high-speed motor, it delivers an impressive suction power of 98,000 pascals, making it ideal for removing various types of debris, including dust, sand, hair, and even small metal objects. This vacuum cleaner is designed for both car and home use, providing wireless portability for a hassle-free cleaning experience. With a battery life of 30 minutes, you can clean your car's interior or home spaces without needing to plug it in. The 4,000 mAh battery ensures lasting power, while the Type-C charging port offers easy and quick recharging, whether you're at home or in your car. The vacuum features a humanized handle for easy handling, making it comfortable to use. It also comes with a range of accessories, including an independent suction head that can be adjusted in length, ensuring efficient cleaning in all corners. The washable nano-locking dust filter allows for repeated use, maintaining excellent suction performance while being eco-friendly. At just 600 grams, the SZUK 98,000 Pascal is incredibly lightweight and portable, fitting easily into your car's storage space. With its silent operation, this vacuum is perfect for cleaning hair, fine dust, gravel, and more, ensuring your car or home remains spotless with minimal noise. Whether you're tackling stubborn dirt or just doing a quick cleanup, this vacuum cleaner is an essential tool for every household and vehicle. There you have it, the 5 best SZUK Car Vacuum Cleaners for 2025 to keep your car fresh, clean, and spotless all year long. If one of these caught your eye, check the links in the description below for the latest deals. Thanks for watching.